The data import feature within the Ordoro app allows users to create and update their data in bulk. This option can be useful whether you need to update product information or inventory, create a new batch of kits, or set assignments for dropshipping, and much more. This tutorial is going to demonstrate how to use the data import feature from start to finish. So to get started, we'll go to Settings and select Data Import from the menu. Here you'll be able to select the type of data that you want to import. So let's go ahead and say you're going to go ahead and create products here. Now, if I already know what that file needs to look like, I can go ahead and drag and drop it here or select it from my computer. Or if I've never uploaded this one before, I can download an example file to see what that needs to look like. Go ahead and open that up in Excel. And you'll see I have the column headers here, so these are the columns that I can upload with my product information. And the ones with this asterisk required mean that they're required for this upload. So for this one, we need SKU and description, and the rest of the columns are optional. It also has some example data in here for me for some of my current products. So I'm going to go ahead and clear that out. And then just enter my new SKU information here. Whatever information is accurate for this product. And once I've got that information entered, I will go ahead and save. Go back to the Ordoro app and then find the file that I just downloaded and updated. Drag and drop it into the app. And you'll see here we can do any category mapping or column mapping. So this is if you maybe used your own file and you knew it had all the right columns and that they were just named differently, you can select which one it maps to. And once you're sure that's all accurate, you'll hit Verify Columns. Here you can select to pause on errors. This means if there's an error line that pops up, it's going to have you double check it. And you can also preview each entry. So if you wanted to go through and look at each one, you could, but typically with data import, that's a lot of information that you're uploading. So I don't typically select that. But once you have the option selected that you would like, you can hit Save All. And it's going to go ahead and work through. Once it's done, you can import another file or restart. And then if we go to the products section, we will see that the SKU that we just created should be in here. If we search for it. And there it is. And that's all you got to do to use the data import feature. If you have any questions about it, feel free to reach out to us. Thanks for watching.